Mix 2 eggs until they froth up a bit, and then add 100 grams of erythritol. If you don't like erythritol, you can use any other natural sugar substitute. Mix on high speed until the eggs hold a ribbon and more than double in volume, and then add a splash of vanilla. And then, with the mixer going, 20 milliliters of grapeseed oil. This will keep the cake nice and moist. Then, with the mixer on low speed, add 120 grams of oat flour, 2 grams of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and continue mixing until it's incorporated. After a minute or so, your batter should look like this. Then you can sift in 60 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Just a minute after you start mixing, you're gonna notice that your batter turns into a dough, and that's the perfect time to add 50 milliliters of freshly brewed coffee with 50 milliliters of cold milk. And don't worry, your cake won't taste like coffee. The coffee is there to enhance the cocoa's flavor. Gently mix and fold with your spatula until you don't have any more lumps and your batter looks like this. And now you can add 50 grams of chopped unsalted pistachios. Fold them in. And then, to really enhance the chocolatey flavor, 50 grams of bittersweet chocolate. This is a 15 centimeter springform pan that I just greased. Pour the thick batter in and then level it with your spatula. Tap the pan against your work surface a couple of times to release any big air bubbles, and then bake the brownie cake at 160 Celsius for 30 minutes. Let it cool in the tin for an hour. And this is the point when you can slice it and enjoy it as it is, like any brownie, or you can take it to the next level, slice it through the middle, then fill it and decorate it with my pistachio diplomat cream. The easiest way to get an even layer is to pipe a large rosette. Then I place the other layer on top with the flat surface facing up. And I continue piping in the same pattern. Now it's time to fill the sides, and if you're left with any cream, well then, you're not gonna waste it. Just pipe another rosette on top of the huge rosette you already have. Enjoy!